Good morning, everyone. So, I know I'm going to probably be doing a lot of live videos just because they're fun, but I really I needed to come live, or at least cut a video for you. And the reason I like to come live is because it seems when I cut a video where it's not live, I'm never satisfied with it. Does anybody ever have that, to where like you record something and you're like, well, I could have been better here, and then you re-record it and then it ends up being worse, and then you record it and then there was the part that was better. So I didn't want to put you guys through that. Well, I put myself through that, so you guys get to hear me babble. But you guys, this morning, so I don't know if you guys all knew this, but hi Laura, good morning. Hope you're having a blessed, awesome day. But Herbalife has a brand new limited flavor called roasted peanuts. I got this suggestion yesterday on one of our calls. Roasted peanut with vanilla protein and prolessa. Does anybody love like the maple glazed donut with the peanuts on it? That used to be one of my favorite Long John donuts growing up. And you guys, this tastes just like it. Oh my gosh, it's probably, I mean, the white powder donut one was pretty bomb, but this one's even better. So, roasted peanut, if you don't have it, talk to your coach. If you have a preferred membership, go ahead and order it if you want. Roasted peanut, vanilla protein, prolessa, maple glazed donut with peanuts on it. Awesome. So, if you guys don't have the products, you want to try it, you're welcome to come up to Nutrition Nook. We have it here. Nutrition Spark in Owasso has it as well. Those are some options. If you're out of town, then you can find a local club by you and see if they have it, or just order it and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. So, you guys gotta try it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So, have a great day. I'm gonna be posting my this morning pictures for you guys as well, and let's get some awesome results. Have an awesome day.